I think I could use a bit more Josh, more than this. But it's okay, let me start off by expressing my gratitude to all the Acharyans here for having given me the opportunity to be featured among esteemed list of chief guests. Thank you. I am honored and privileged, and I am actually humbled that I am among the chief guests. Thank you. And second off, to all the parents and all the students here, I'm actually feeling bad that you will have to put up with me for a while. So I'm thanking you in advance for that. I guess it's going to be harder, but I'll try to keep it short. So, to the question who I am and what I'm here for, I'll answer it. I am Vishnu Vardhani. I am a graduate from IIM Lucknow. I just graduated a few days back. So I'll be joining Uber as a management trainee and then become a marketing manager. I'm off to exploring my path and discover what I can do good for this world. So why am I here for? I'm here to share a few experiences of my life and tell you about the significance, why and how it has been significant for me and why it might be significant for you and your kids. So let's start off with my childhood. I grew up in a not so big city, not so small town called Trichy. It had all the experiences that a child should get. So in high school, I made sure that I participated in a lot of activities. I participated in quiz, sports, academics, extracurricular activities. I learned classical dance, classical music. I learned competitive skating. I was a part of the sports team in my college as well, in my school as well. And I also was a part of the quizzing club. I represented my school in a lot of quiz competitions. And what not, I did a lot of things there. So at the end of the school, I was able to figure out what I wanted in life. That's all because I tried out a lot of things. And I also learned two important lessons by participating in a lot of activities: focus and discipline. Discipline because it put me in a routine and kept my mind and body engaged, and focus because I kind of knew how much attention to devote for each of the activities that I was doing back then. And by the end of my high school, I was able to make a choice as to what I wanted to do in my life. Not that I had a very good idea of what I wanted to do, but I at least knew what I would be good at and what I wouldn't be good at, and what I liked and what I did not like. And higher secondary school, you obviously will know that it is kind of a rigorous thing. I still learned a new sport when I was in higher secondary. I kind of went on to represent my school team, and then I also represented Tamil Nadu as a state in national level netball competitions. So why am I telling all these? Why is it so important for you to discover what you want to do in life and explore a lot of activities? I'll tell the answer for it at the last, so as to keep you engaged. And then I moved on to my college. I did an UG, and I also have completed my PG right now. College and students, I tell you, your parents will vouch for the fact that you'll be a bit free when you move on to your college. Trust me, it's not going to be the case. It's going to be very hard for you. But still, I loved academics. I was good in academics, which I kind of figured out after having completed my higher secondary as well as my UG. Still, while being there in college, I made sure I participated in a lot of activities, took part in clubs. I was a part of the Rotary Club. I was part of an academic interest group back there in college. I was also playing multiple sports. This was a kind of de-stressor for me, particularly when you are in a college as rigorous as IIMs. All the IIMs are rigorous, actually, and it kind of de-stressed me out. So after having a session of sports, I would actually feel really good and refreshed to take upon the world and do everything that any person cannot do. So at the end of my college, I actually found myself playing a couple of games, some competitively, some not competitively, representing my campus for inter-IIM sports championships and everything. I also had the opportunity to captain the team there. The reason this is very important is that your kids needs to know what they are good at. For that, they will have to try a lot of things. It's just not going to be academics in this world. So let me also tell you a few significance of my experience and how I found it very important. in discovering myself as a person and what I wanted to do in my personal life as well as professional life. First thing, not everyone is good at academics. There are a lot of things that people can excel at. I know of people who can convince you and me, very educated people, into buying an aeroplane, which we don't require at all. I also know that they don't have any formal education. So your kid might be a people smart person of that sort. And another thing is that only if you try out a lot of things, you'll get to know what you want to do in your life. And I wanted to do academics, and I thought I was good at sports. I also thought participating in a lot of clubs and activities will get me into an opportunity where I can understand people's perspective, what they are good at, what I am good at, what I need to improve, what I can improve by looking at others. And all these education which the school can't give can only come from parents encouraging us to do things. And I'm super happy that I have got very supportive parents who let me explore a lot of things. If it had not been for them, I wouldn't have been at this stage. Anyone can crack CAT, anyone can crack MAT, or anyone can give a GMAT and go to the US to pursue higher education. But you can't be good at everything unless your parents are supportive of you, let you explore other activities, sports, quiz, competitions, musics, and everything. That is how you know that how your kid is going to be excelling. And third of all, if everyone were to become a doctor, engineer, or a chartered accountant for that matter, who would be the next Dhoni who will lead the Indian team? Or be Anirudh Ravichandran for the matter, to whose beat we are tapping our feet without even knowing that we are doing it? Or who would be the next Maria Sharapova for that matter? So encourage your kids to do what they would want to do and support them for what they are. So I think that's enough of a bore for now. So I'll conclude by telling that you can't measure a lion's prowess or its talent by seeing how fast it swims or how adept it is at swimming. Let it be the hunter it is on land and see how it's going to rule the world. So does it apply for your kids? They might be a lion, but you're checking them how fast they swim. Let them be the lion or lioness they are and hunt them, and hunt the world and rule the world. Thank you for having given me this opportunity. Thank you so much.